Hi, I'm Dr. Devashish Chatterjee, uh, talking about the Eupatorium parfoliatum. The that is the common name of the Eupatorium parfoliatum is the bone set. Okay, is the bone set, and the family is the composite. Okay, the family is the composite, and the medicine was prepared from the whole plant most of the time. And the Eupatorium perforatum, the common name is the meaning of the Eupatorium perforatum means born of a noble father. Born of a noble father. Okay. So this medicine was proved by Dr. Hahnemann, and this medicine is a very important medicine for the cases of the dengue, okay, or influenza, okay. So it is a medicine which is useful in case of the dengue. It is a medicine which is useful in case of the influenza and in case of the malaria. Okay. Next number is the medicine which is the bone set. It is named because of the medicine have some particular symptoms is the bony pain. Got it? The pain, bony pain is very important symptoms of these drugs. Along with this, there is the biliousness and the bilious fever. Okay, so this medicine usually mostly sphere of if you see the sphere of action, it acts upon specially upon the gastrointestinal tract and the hepatic organs and the bronchial mucous membrane and fibrous tissues. It produces as one of the most characteristic condition bilious derangement with the tenderness of the hepatic region, and vomiting of the bile is also very important. Okay, next number. It also produces soreness and aching of the muscles and the bones, which is accompanying some forms of the febrile diseases like the malaria and influenza. Already I told you that this is a medicine which is very important medicine, that is especially for the bone pain, especially in the that is the influenza, that is also in case of the dengue and the malaria. Where there is the bony pain and muscle pains are there, of course, the other medicine which is responsible, other medicines are there which is responsible for the bony pain, other Rastach, and yeah, other Rastach is also one of the very important, and Natamil also there where it is useful. But in case of the malaria, the China and the Chinimum salt is also very important in this occasion. Another medicine is the natrum salt, which is mostly useful in cases where there is a marshy land are there, where there is a hydrogenated constitution are there, and the signs and symptoms are producing. So these are the biochemical medicine. At the same time, these are the medicine are to be responsible. I am giving some basic idea about these drugs. So listen first of all, then we go through according to the script. Okay. The another thing is that the constitution, which is also constitution which is also disturbed by some other factors, and the disease people which have one of constitution with the excessive who are having the excessive use of alcohol. Mind it, the excessive use of alcohol, most of the time the peoples or the doctors are using the Naxtamine. It is not like this. Among them there are so many drugs are there, but the Calcira RC is also one of the very important medicine which will be helpful in case of the that is the excessive use of alcohol, and this Eupatorium parfoliatum. But also the lycopodium is also one of the best medicine for the cases of the excessive use of alcohol. Even the fluoric acid, don't neglect the fluoric acid, Marxol, China, Carduas marinus, and other medicines are there. Okay. Next number, it is a medicine. If you go through the clinically, then you will find that that is the bilious fever is very important, and the bony pains, cough, dengue, influenza, intermittent fever, and the soreness, headache, and rheumatism. These are the mostly important symptoms which can be produced by these drugs, as also can be reduced by these drugs. So these this medicine very infallible, useful remedy in case of the India, especially the coastal region where there is the marshy land are there this type of symptoms is mostly predominant and infallible remedy. You must think about this. Nowadays the corona is also there. Like this, in case of this type of intermittent fever and the bony pains and the thick cough, this and that, we can consider these drugs. Okay. Next number. This Eupatoram perforator usually acts upon the gastrohepatic system, the fibrous tissue, and the bronchial mucous membrane. One of the most condition for the bilious derangement and malarial character. The agent produce the soreness and achingness of the muscles, bones, and vomiting of bile and tenderness of the hepatic region is also important. Next number. If we see, that is the very characteristic symptoms of these drugs. If we see the constitution is mostly useful in case of as if the patients who are the adapted to the disease of people who are one of constitutions. That means those whose constitution was healthy. Now, due to some disease condition, a repeated attack of this disease condition, the constitution has been deteriorated day by day. That is called the one of constitution. And besides this, this may be useful in case of the excessive use of alcohol. So the cachexia will be produced, and the prolonged frequent attack of the bilious and intermittent fever is also one of the important cause. ठीक है ना? Next number. Right, if we see the constitution as also the basic character of these drugs, if we see the characteristic symptoms of them, if you see the characteristic symptoms at the same time, if you see the clinical symptoms, the anus is also affected by these drugs, the herpes of the anus, especially the back pain and the bony pain, bilious fever, cough, dengue, diarrhea, fracture, gout, hiccup, hoarseness, indigestion, intermittent fever, jaundice, liver, and the soreness of the muscles, measles, mouth, cracks of, and the ophthalmia. This ophthalmia is also important symptom. Because of this, those who are the residing on the nearby to the damp weather or the river or the marshy land, there are some symptoms are very common. These symptoms are most of the time relapsing or the remittent fever, even the rheumatism and the spotted fever and the thirst and wounds are the very important of these drugs. If we go to the constitution basis or the characteristics, it is an old world remedy. Eupatoram perforatum is an old world remedy. It means that once upon from the very long days, this medicine used by the physicians or the old people, those are using, and, and it is as the it is the disaccharides also in conditions of ulcer, dysentery, stings of the reptiles, chronic fever, and obstructed liver was treated by these old people. That's why it is called the old world. So it is not a very new medicines. It are used by the common people, the villagers or the natives or the person those are residing in this area. They are using this one. The leading characteristic of this homeopathic use is distressing bony pain. It is a very important symptoms of the very important the bony pain, aching pain, more than the rust touch. This is very important. So we should not forget the Eupatoram perforatum in case of the bony pain. Of course, we have some other remedies. Now I'm not discussing about it, such as the found in connection with the malarial fever and the influenza. So pain, bony pain, along with the malarial fever and that is the and the influenza, malaria and the influenza, there is a soreness and will be found running through the province. Headache with the soreness is very important, and this soreness down to the trachea, soreness of the chest, aching in the limbs without the body is also important. The characteristic of the Eupatoram perforatum emulsion by getting on hands and only. Okay. Next number, the Dr. some other physician has recommended. Every winter for the several years of the patient had been announced a dry hacking cough with paroxysm lasting someone only relieved by getting on hands and the knees is also important. Repeatum perforatum cured, the chills of the perforatum begins to the small of the back with taking on the limbs and the through even the bone or the body were being broken down. That is the most important. So high fever with the increased aching, followed by the sweat, scanty of the profuse is also important. Sweat, ammunition, all pains except the headache. So ammunition by sweating, we have some other medicines. Ammunition by sweat, two medicine are mostly important. One is the Naptanur, another is the Sorainam. Okay, next number, this medicine also you have to include it. These are the very characteristic modalities of these drugs. Ammunition of the pain, which is ammunition by the sweating. Okay, so being an homeopath, we must give trace to the importance to the uncommon people or symptoms and modalities that will give some clue. Next number, rising ammunition, the headache, eating, that may be the violent distressing pain, which are only relieved by the vomiting. So, relieved by vomiting, another medicine are there. One of the natrum sulfate is also there. Max vomit is also there. These are medicines are also important for the relief by vomiting. There is also intense thirst, but drinking of the cold water, swallowing and the vomiting of the bile is also important. Listen, yesterday what I talked about the capsicum at that time, after taking the cold water, there was a very severing, very uncommon people are symptoms of the drug. That is, and here also the shuddering, that is much excessive chilliness on the body after taking the cold water is very important. We have considered it along with the bony pain, along with the myalgia, along with the nausea and vomiting. This gives to the we must prescribe on that Equipotent Perforatum. Previously, so many times I told to stand a table, at least 3 legs is to be required. Even while prescribing or while studying the mathematica, we must find try to trace out which is the very uncommon symptoms of the drugs, and we have to prescribe on the basis of the that is the 3 leg. The uncommon people are symptoms. At least to stand a table, at least 3 legs is to be required. To make a correct prescription, at least 3 legs is to be required. Three characteristic symptoms is to be required. So we must give to the trace of these uncommon symptoms about this. Next number, chilliness, chilliness, chilliness and predominance wants to be covered. Ammunition in the house, aggravation in the open air. That means aggravation in the open air, cold weather. These are the ice house, ice or damp weather. These are very important. Important and residing in the nearby to the dam or the marshland or like this area. Okay, like the rusters. Okay, another is the Arab medicine that anatoms are and thuja. Okay, if you go to the relationship, this medicine has some very close relationship with the bryonia. This is called the analog, like the similar remedy. So the similar remedy will be the rusters. The similar remedy will be Rastux and the Bryonia. So this medicine is in between the Rastux and Bryonia. Of course, another medicine which is very closer to the in between Rastux and Bryonia is the Phytolacca. So where we have to prescribe, that depends on individual to individual, and that makes a correct prescription. Which symptoms give to the priority, that is also art of prescriptions. So only prescribing any medicine is not the homeopathy. We have to think in different angles. Okay, the free sweat is also there. The pain, the pain makes the patient still. Eupythium perforatum has scanty sweat, which is also very important. But remember, the brownie is mostly suitable in case of hot heat weather, whereas this medicine useful in case of the cold and the damp weather and the marshland. So this is the basic difference between the two. Of course, brownie also having the nausea and vomiting sometimes. Okay, and there is excessive thirst are there. But here, after thirst, after drinking of the water, there is severe chilliness. Ah, this is very uncommon peculiar symptoms of the that is an Eupythium perforatum. The pains has been causing the restlessness. Another compare the Arnica montana. Now if you go to the Arnica montana, there is the bruise the sensation as if bruised, sore, lame feeling. But here it is not done. But we have to compare between the other drugs. Another capsicum is there. So the chilliness is very important. Whereas the capsicum have some chilliness. Along with this, there is no question of the bony pains. So if we distinguish capsicum and the chili, and this is also chili patient, but difference between the capsicum also have some, there is excessive burning throughout the whole body, GI tract, respiratory system, and others. Whereas here the symptoms is very peculiar. Okay, there is no question of that, this type of symptoms, but chilliness is there, and there is also the bony aching pain. It is very as if this whole bone is to be broken down. That is the characteristic symptoms of the Eupatorum purpuratum. Another chelidonium. Chelidonium also must be considered. That is the right-sided remedy, and having the useful remedy in case of liver problem and the nausea, vomiting, so and so. But chelidonium has some. Tongue is very important of the chelidonium, yellow coated tongue, and so on. The symphytum, it is a very important in any type of bony pain, any type of bony problem or fracture. Even the podophyllum is also very important remedy for the cases of that, and the podophyllum also is a right side remedy, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and so on. And also lycopodium, that is also a right side remedy. But the podophyllum and astox lycopodium has some difference between the modalities. The podophyllum modality is from the 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. If you go through the books, so we have to consider the peculiar modalities, and these peculiar modalities gives a clue to the to make a correct prescription. Another thing is that is the lycopodium. Lycopodium modalities is that is a 4 to 8 p.m. So podophyllum early in the morning, paralycopodium. So all the drugs, very peculiar characteristics, and the modalities, and the mental symptoms, and the other peculiar characteristics, we must consider. Then we can make a correct prescription. Otherwise, we will do the blunder. So taking the medicine from the medicine box and putting to the tongue is not the homeopathy. It is more than that. Always, and what I am telling you, must read at least 5 to 6 books, authentic books, which you help you a correct knowledge and message. Otherwise, you will do a blunder. It will be useless. Next number, colchicum. Colchicum also there, but in case of the colchicum rheumatic, along with these problems. Here it is not like this. Colchicum is rheumatism with the problem, whereas this medicine have the vomiting, so and so, but bony pain. But in case of colchicum, there is no question of the bony pain. So we have to distinguish from one medicine to another by this way. Another thing is the natremul. Natremul's constitution is different. It is not antipsychotic. It is mostly sodium aggravation in the summer, and so, having the desire for the such and such, mentally such and so on. But CPR. Now the question of the CPR. The natremul is such and such. You have no. You are aware about this. And the CPR also for the female. But there is also, it is not like this. But mostly the CPI is prone to females. They are mostly suitable to the females. That's why it is to be called as a female remedy. But there is no homeopathic medicine are exclusively for the male and exclusively for the female. It is not like this. If you think in this way, prescribe like this way, it is a blunder. And it is a mostly wrong ideas. So this type of prescription will be wrong and will do some blunder. Mind it that nocturnal constitution is different. CPA is a chilly patient, whereas nocturnal is a hot patient. Okay, nocturnal is a hot patient. Nocturnal desire for the is excessive thirst is there, whereas CPI is the chili. And what is written in the CPI? The face is different, whereas nocturnal face is different. Nocturnal throat is different. Throat is a long neck. The CPI is not like this. Even CPI, if you go to the to whom is to be very suitable for the CPI. If you go to the CPI, you will find there is the aggravation from the दो उसमें एक देखो एक शब्द लिखा है द प्रोफेशनल डिसऑर्डर सीपीआई में क्या लिखा फीमेल है मेंस्ट्रुएशन प्रॉब्लम है देयर इज द सीपीआई में और क्या लिखा है दैट मेंसेस आर वेरी स्कैंटी दिस एंड दैट white yellow leucoreal discharges are fishy odor this and that aggravation such and such. Even CPI is a good medicine for the itching to the genitalia and some other parts. Even not only the CPI is a good medicine for the next to sulfur is the that is the skin disease. So whenever sometimes the CPI is to be given, then think of the sulfur. Or whenever sulfur is there, sometimes CPI may come. Okay, so think about this angle. Said ek do dubiji or koi body is not sufficient. At least 10 books should be followed. Then you can distinguish from one medicine to another, which also followed well about this. The CPI also. देखो उसमें क्या लिखा है? Those who are the worker, those who are the sweeper, और those who are the क्या बोले कपड़ा धोबी धोबी घर बोलते हैं मुंबई में जो कपड़ा धोते, दैट मीन्स जो लोगों वाशरमैन्स रेमेडी, ये जो शब्द लिखा है, जो लोगों कपड़ा धोते, घर पोछताछ करते और जो बर्तन धोते, ये जो फीमेल है, ये लोगों के लिए सीपीआई इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मेडिसिन. गॉट इट? सो इसलिए इससे पढ़ने का नहीं समझदारी जरूरी है. नेक्स्ट नंबर, इफ यू गो टू द सिम्टम्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द मेंटल सिम्टम्स, इफ यू सी the feels, if we see the symptoms or the mental symptoms of this Eupatorium purpuretum, the feels at night as if going out of mind, and mooning, anxiety, despondency, very restless, cannot keep the still, though wishes to. These are the very mental symptoms. Apart from this, the feels at night as if he is going out of mind. Even so, रात में इसको mind ठीक नहीं रहते, out of mind होते. Another is the morning during the chill. Do you know the mooning? Do you know mooning? That's the how they express it in case of the mooning. Another medicine is the napchamol, another is the chamomilla, and so many some chamomilla is also there. देखो ना, like this awaaz, that is the mooning. Okay, so bookish language is not sufficient. You must see the so many patients, then you can understand what is mourning and what is crying, what is weeping, and so on. So you can distinguish from one medicine to other. Okay, so mourning. Another thing is that natamur is there, so you can distinguish from natamur. Natamur also is an important medicine for the case of this type of malaria. This medicine useful in case of malaria and influenza. But distinguish, you have to be distinguishes from one medicine to another, and sometimes the complementary of the each other. We have to which medicine is complementary of what medicine, that must be considered. Otherwise, the medicine is not cure is not possible. Okay. Another is that the patient becomes anxious, despondency over the fever. If you go through the physical general symptoms, aversion to food because of there is aversion to food because of the whatever they used to get to cook, there is the nausea and vomiting is there, but there is a desire for the ice cream. This is the very peculiar symptoms of the drugs. Which medicine are having the ice cream? That is the phosphorus. Phosphorus is a very important medicine where there is a desire for the ice cream in spite of there is an aggravation from cold. So here is also aggravation from cold, but this is the peculiar, uncommon, rare symptoms. Aggravation from cold in spite of chill, in spite aggravation from cold, but they prefer the phosphorus, even the calculator. The sleep has also some other symptoms. There is the good appetite. Anorexic drug are there, especially in the drunkards. So it is a good medicine for the case of the drunkards. Mind it. So don't neglect this. If there is vomiting, nausea, this and that, bony pain, liver problem, we must consider the and that is this medicine, Eupatorium purpuretum, and other medicine. But this medicine, don't neglect it. There is the canine hunger. Before this and quinine, after quinine, this is a very uncommon peculiar symptoms of these drugs. If you go to the natamib, the malarial symptoms is different. Okay, and here also, ये जो लिखा इगू एक शब्द लिखी after quinine. So natamib is a very important medicine for the case of the after using of the quinine. This medicine also useful in case of the after use of the quinine. Next number, as for the cold water. Therefore, in spite they are the very chilly patient, but they are taking the thirst for cold water. Very uncommon peculiar symptoms of these drugs. So sometimes I am here and there, I am talking the uncommon peculiar symptoms by which we can prescribe, and if we assemble these uncommon peculiar symptoms, definitely we get some clear picture of a particular drugs. Not only this, but we get the particular, even the constitution is important, mentality is important. So somewhere on the basis of the mental symptoms, we have to prescribe. Somewhere on the physical symptoms, physical general symptoms, we have to prescribe. Somewhere on the modalities, somewhere on the basis of the uncommon peculiar. So even sometimes single symptom uses. So that is an art. That is an artistic prescription. Next number, if you see the aggravation, general aggravation, periodical and in open air, periodical and open air, okay, and ammunition in the conversation. बात करने से कुछ कारण नहीं थे. This is a very uncommon peculiar symptoms of that drug. Uh, by getting hands in the knees, sweat, except in the headache, even sweating makes the relief. Very, very uncommon peculiar symptom. Has sweating aggravation? Which medicine? That is the which medicine? That is the mark solve. Okay, the syphilitic drugs showing aggravation. Next number. Chalo, let us come to the point according to the from the, on the basis of the this chart that I am talking about. This that is that already to some extent I told about this mind symptoms, head early in the morning, whirling around the brain as if he had been whirled in a cool stream, repeated after a short suggestion. Okay, headache with sensation of the soreness internally. This is another characteristic symptom. The soreness is not only in the physical plane, but also in the head. That is also another characteristic symptom of the drugs. Ammunition in the house. Let us see. Ammunition in the house. That means that if this room is becomes warm, then only they get some feels better. Okay. But aggravation when first going into the open air. That is also. But in case of the pulsatilla, there is some little chilly, but there the aggravation from up get better feel into going to the open air. Even the even the tuberculina. Okay. But here this is the uncommon people are symptoms is ammunition by conversation. Usually they go brown in a conversation aggravation, any movement aggravation, headache the aggravation of it. So the brain attention always remains keep and calm, silent, where this is this medicine. Very uncommon people are symptoms of the right ammunition by conversation. Headache and nausea every other morning when acting. This is early in the morning nausea and vomiting, with chilliness, with bony pain, with uncommon people are symptoms this type of and the pain in the liver and other and gastric problem are there and the myalgia is there and the flu-like symptoms is there. Pain in occiput after the line. It seems that weight must aid with finding lifting head, beating pain in the forehead and occiput. After rising, soreness and pulsation on the back part of the head, it is very important. Heat on the top of the head, it is also important. Violent headache is also very important. Along with this bony pain, violent headache in case of bony pain. So body pain, malaria, bony pain at this time along with the chilly patient, along with this headache with the liver pain or bony pain, violent headache and with chill. This is the it sometimes it may be the worst condition with him. This is the very important and was during the 30 chamber. Next number, if we go through the medical, if you go through these words, that you will find that is the eye symptoms. You will see the eye symptoms that the painful soreness of the eyeballs, great aversion to light, and painful soreness of the lids is also very important. Okay, so this soreness of the eyeballs is very important. Okay, soreness of the eyeballs, lids, and aggravation from the light because of all the whole body becomes painful. That's why you not only that they usually that's in case of the rust they wants to get rubbed and they want to the hot hot, ammunition by hot, but here not limit this. This is the peculiarity of the drugs. Okay, so you should know the common symptoms, basic symptoms, meaning the uncommon peculiar symptoms, and simultaneously must compare with other drugs. Then you can understand actually what is the peculiarity of the Rustars or Eupatorium or Arnica montana. The symptoms may be the same, but the peculiarities you have there. And even that, along with that, the modalities. Okay, next time to see the paraiga with sneezing and aching every bone. So bony pain all over the body. Another medicine is there. Even it is in case of the rheumatic problem, that sometimes you can think of the puja, natron salt, another is the medodinam. So bony all over the body, all over the bony pain. On body pain, all over the pain of all over the body. Bony pain. Then you can think of the puja. You can think of this medicine. Even that is the medodinam. Okay. So in the ordinary medicine, sinaverish, what is the medicine sinaverish? तुम्हारा जो symptoms से मिलते that is that medicine also important in this case. So where the symptoms is hidden and which symptoms is important, you must grade the symptoms and peculiarity of the drugs. Next number, mouth paleness of the mucous membrane of the mouth because they cannot take the food and along with that the vomiting, tongue covered with the white part. This is also another symptom. But in case of the anything crude, different types of tongue, there is a I mean that there is a Kali curve, you get the white tongue, but here it is not like this. Along the soreness of the corners of the mouth is there. But another thing is that just feel, of course, soreness and is very important. Okay, next number stomach. Nausea from the smell of the food is very important. Colchicum may be happen. No? Okay, indigestion from the alcohol of old people. Another thing is that indigestion from the alcohol, old people, thirst for the cold water is important. Thirst for cold water. All complex aggravation by cold, but here also the thirst for cold water. This is uncommon. This is peculiar. This is rare. This is characteristic. Even the phosphorus is also aggravation from the cold in general. Left side may aggravation, but they prefer the cold. They prefer the fruit juice. They prefer the ice cream. This is the beauty of the homeopathy. So allopathy can't think, cannot give trace to the peculiarity. But homeopathy must give the trace to the peculiarity. And on the basis of the peculiarity, we have to choose the medicine. This is the because this is the wideness. Next one is the vomiting immediately after drinking. Because another thing is that, of course, arsenic may be here, phosphorus may be here. In case of arsenic, तुरंत vomiting हो जाता है. Whereas the arsenic and phosphorus may can after getting hot, then there is the vomiting. So arsenic में तुरंत ठंडा पानी पीते हुए vomiting. This is arsenic. Whereas in case of the phosphorus, that will vomited after remaining in the stomach at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes. When it becomes a worm, then it will be vomited. That is the phosphorus. But arsenic and phosphorus in constitution of person is mostly the same. Mostly similar, not the same. But this is the peculiarity. Okay. Next number, both are chili patient. But this is the peculiarity. You must consider the peculiarity. If you want to be a classical homeopath, you must have give trace to the particular symptom, and on the basis, you can prescribe, otherwise not. Okay, otherwise all the medicine look like the same, all the patients look like the same. Got it? Next number. The vomiting after every drop, vomiting of bile with the traveling and great nausea, causes great prostration, nausea, prostration. Tight clothing is appreciated. Abdomen, soreness in region of the liver. Abdomen is very important. Soreness in the region of the liver. On moving to the coughing, soreness of the region out of the both medicine. Even the China, Chelonium, Lycopodium, Marshall, and China Vita, Matanu, even Chelidinium, Chenopodium. All medicines have so many items, vertically. But the peculiarity, you must find out the peculiarity. Until and unless you can get the peculiar symptoms, you will do some blunder. Next number, what to do one method that is different? What is really the
Sir,
okay. Hello. बोलो.
सर आसरी मैम का लेक्चर है, वो लिंक भेजे 3 बजे का.
3 बजे अश्विनी का
आसरी मैम का. हाँ.
ओके, ठीक है, बोल रहे हैं. अच्छा. On moving to coughing, colic pain in abdomen with the headache and other pains, abdomen, full and tympanic, stools and anus constipation, with catarrh, morning diarrhea is there, like the podophyllum, purging stool is also there, with smarting and heat in the anus is also there, urinary, dark color, urine, clear urine is also there, some colchicum relationship, dark brown is there, scant urine, hypopelea of white clay-like sediment, itching of the mons is also, mons of the granulation is also there. Respiratory organs, hoarseness, aggravation in the morning, the soreness in the trachea and bronchial, cough with the soreness, and heat in bronchia is also there. Flask fish and tearful eyes is also there. Fucking cough in the morning, evening, and cough from the cold, aggravation.
Sir.
Okay.
सर
सर हमारा लेक्चर है ऑर्गेनॉन का, मैम मैसेज कर रहे ग्रुप पे, जल्दी ज्वाइंट हो.
ओके, ठीक है. ओके, फुल कंप्लीट मैंने. ओके, कितना टाइम हो गया और कितना टाइम लगेगा?
3:06 हो गए.
हाँ, अच्छा. और 5 मिनट तक पहले तो इंटरमिटेंट फीवर and difficulty in breathing, attended with the perspiration is there, anxious countenance, sleeplessness, soreness in the chest, aggravation from inspiration, like the bryonia. So this medicine has very similar relation with the bryonia. Don't neglect bryonia. So this medicine is in between bryonia and the rest of aggravation inspiration. inability to lie on the left side, sharp pain throughout chest, and deep inspiration, feels at night as if going out of his mind, disturbed breathing pattern, heart racing as if heart was in too small in space, pain, soreness, and heaviness behind the sternum, and the cardiac region, aggravation by the wrist motion, a turning of the body around neck and back, beating pain in the neck and occiput, better after rising, aching pain in the back, as from a bush weakness, a small of the back, trembling in the back during fever, limbs aching in the bones, that is very important, is soreness on the flesh, intense soreness and aching in the limbs, as if bruised or bruised or bitten. So, like the Anika Montana is there, and with the patholog is there. Wrist pain as if broken or dislocated, heat in the hands, sometimes with the perspiration, dropsical swelling of the both feet and ankles is also there. So dropsical swelling, this is also another important symptoms of these drugs. So many drugs are there. I'm not mentioning because the time is over and time is very few. That it hitting the soles on the feet like the sulfur. In the morning is also there. Skin jaundice, sleep is stretching and yawning before the chill, sleeping if the difficult breathing, has to lie with the head high, headache on the fever. The fever is very important. Don't neglect the fever. So many times this fever in the exam, the fever is to come in the exam. What is the typical symptoms of the fever of the that is on this medicine, Ibuprofen, Papagon. The thirst of a long time before the chill, which continues during the chill and the heat. So thirst is mostly present at the conclusion of the chill. Vomiting of the bile is important. After every draft of pain in the bones, as if broken pain, as if the bones are broken. Excessive myalgia is present in this medicine. Okay, all over the body. Before the commencement of the chill is also there, which along with the bony pain under the headache, backache, and thirst during the chill and heat, throbbing headache. This is very important. Okay, like that. Yeah, I mean that belladonna is throbbing. Okay, aggravation by the like the bryonia is also there. The chill induced the ascent by taking the drinking cold water. It chill aggravation by drinking water. Bryonia में ammunition होता है. Very very special difference between these drugs. Distressing pain in the and stabbing flash of the bodies throughout the chill and heat, aching pains with moaning during the cold state, moaning during the cold state, coldness during the nocturnal perspiration is there, chilliness throughout the night and morning, trembling and nausea from wrist motion, intense aching and soreness in the back and limbs, more shivering than the degree of the coldness one, the intermittent fever, paroxysm, generally commences in the morning. Fever commences in the morning, attended with the painfulness, trembling, weakness, and soreness. Mind it, this medicine has excessive weakness and prostration with vomiting and chilliness and vomiting and liver problem or the bile vomiting like this. Mind it, this but little there is no prostration, great weakness and prostration during the fever, headache and trembling during the heat, vomiting of bile at the close of the hot stage, vomiting of bile, vomiting of bile after chill is there. The fever goes off by perspiration and sleep during the asphyxia, apyrexia, loose clot when there is a perspiration is there. It relieves all the symptoms except the headache. So these are the most important. The bluish feeling in the sensation of the broken all over the body of the medicine are mostly Amicamontana, pyrogen, and Hamamedici also there. Bony pain is description appear to the this remedy. Okay. And periodicity is mostly marked. Third and 7 days also very common. So this is to some extent we'll talk about later on. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so we'll think about it. We are going to complete this. We are going to complete this drugs. The bilious vomiting between the chill and heat stage. The fever is there. The pain comes quickly and goes away quickly. Is a very important. Okay.